Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Smarty Pants from Toy Story. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing the shape of the head. Let's draw a line across near the top. And then bring it down on each side. Then close off the bottom to form a rectangle shape. Now let's hop inside and let's draw the face. Let's start with 2 circles for the eyes. And then another smaller circle inside each one. Now let's hop on top and let's add a curve on top of each eye for the eyebrows. And then thicken each one up slightly. Now let's hop back down, and in between the eyes, let's draw a dotted line. And continue it out on each side. Now let's hop underneath and draw the mouth. Underneath the left eye, let's draw a curve down and over. And another curve underneath. Now for the teeth, let's draw 2 lines down from the top and a curve across. And then a bump at the bottom for the tongue. And now let's color the inside of the mouth in black. And that's it for the face. Now we're going to hop out and draw the handle. Let's start on each side and let's draw a small line out. And then bring it up on top of the head. And connect it with a line across. Now let's hop underneath and let's draw a longer line out. Then let's bring each side up. Then at the top, let's curve it in. And then a line across at the top. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and add the body. Let's start with 2 lines down underneath. And then curve it in at the bottom. And close it off with a line across. Now let's hop inside and let's draw a dotted line across the center. And then in the top section, let's draw a long sideways rectangle. And then let's hop in and let's draw a border in the same way. Now let's hop in, and on the top left, let's draw an oval. And then bring it down on the sides. And a curve across the bottom. Then let's add another oval inside. And color it in black. Now from the top, let's draw a line across. And another one at the bottom. And close off the end with a zigzag line. And then inside, let's draw the word Smarty Pants. And that's it for the top section. Now let's hop to the bottom. Let's start in the center and let's draw a rectangle. And then let's hop out and let's draw a line down on each side. Then let's bring it out from the top and the bottom. And then close off each end with a curve down. Now let's hop inside, and in the center rectangle, let's draw a swirl pattern. And then in the left section, we're going to draw the number 1. Let's start with a small line at the top and bring it down on the right side. Now from the top, let's angle it down, bring it down and in, a line down to the bottom, and then close it off. Now in the right button, we're going to draw the number 2. Let's start with a small angle, a curve over to the right, and then another one underneath. Now from the right, let's bring it over and down. Bring it down on the left and close off the bottom. And that's it for Smarty Pants. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!